Okay, this is the second unit of the pair of townhouses being developed by Laminate. That's Matt and Paul, business partners. Basically every job they give me is a Kronoswiss Aquastop, usually 14 mil. So we've done the moon in both of them. This second one is the one with the almost perfect staircase, which is a little bit almost perfect because I've caulked it. So yeah, we'll have a quick look. It's definitely best stairway. So yeah, the usual trims. I reckon that's about as good as I can get. So yeah, I don't know, without actually using any caulk. A lot of the stairs haven't got any caulking at all. A lot of the left stairs, left join, sorry. Anyway, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with, oh, hang on, go back down. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with 60-degree and 30-degree angles. That's pretty much the limit of my drop saw. Did a bit of freestyling on the table saw as well. So yeah, lovely little townhouse, pretty much like the other one. So yeah, come out really nice. Needs a bit of a mop, but I guess it's the last time I'll be in this one. So another moon. Really goes well in here because of the dark kitchen and the black window frames, so you've got a nice contrast. Yeah, really happy with this. Thanks Matt, thanks Paul. Yeah, the stair nose, I've chopped it down to about 110. You don't really want a full one at the top, it's a bit daft. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Next door was straight up for about 9 hours. This probably took me about 20 hours in 10 days. You know, I could have done it a bit quicker and put a bit more caulk in, but yeah, I was just practicing a new technique of just making the boards about 1 mil too wide and 2 mil too wide, and then just tapping them in gently so they're nice and tight and they cut into the softwood on the surrounds. And I started, used to go around those little bits, now I've just been undercutting them. It's a lot easier. You only have to undercut by 10 mil and then cut a section out of the tread. Yeah, it's quite sad. I enjoy looking at these kind of things. No one else does. Anyway, if you liked it, smash a like on it. If you didn't, don't do anything. Thanks for watching. Cheers.